Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow camera permission on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on apps. In here, tap on the option key at the top. Then from the pop-up menu, select Permission Manager. Next, go down and tap on Camera. In here, you can go to the Allow section or go to Not Allow section. So let's say if I want to allow Chrome to use or to access the camera, I tap on the Chrome app. In here, I can choose Allow only while using the app or Ask every time. So I'm going to choose Allow only while using the app. Then tap on the back key. And now you can see in the Allow section, it will allow Chrome app to use the camera. And if I want to deny the permission, I tap on the app and choose Don't Allow. And this will revoke the camera permission from that selected app. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.